Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you keep getting the extraction operation was not completed error while trying to open zip or rar files on your Windows 11 PC. So to fix this, first head to a web browser and search for WinRAR. Now click the first link that appears. In here click on this download WinRAR option. In here scroll down and click on this download WinRAR again. Once you have downloaded the WinRAR file, simply click on it. Now you simply need to follow the on-screen prompts to install the app on your PC. So just go through the setup process to install WinRAR. Once you have installed WinRAR, simply right click on the zip or rar file that you want to open. Go to WinRAR and select extract files. Now click on OK, and then you should be able to access the zip file or rar file's content. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.